Want to know how to split your project in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. And now once you've done that, here you should be seeing your NetBeans application right here and simply open up your project. So if you don't see your project, just simply towards projects right here and then select your project. So now once you have done that, here you should be under your project. And now to split your project, to make it appear on two windows, here you can just simply right click on your project right here and then select split. And now once you select split, just simply select vertically or horizontally, any one of these. So you can just do it once at the same time, and this is very useful to show comparisons between two codes. So in order to clear it, just simply select clear right here, and now your splitting will be clear. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.